5 tips to improve your reading skills in IELTS. First one, improve your reading speed. Read and comprehend each and every passage, but that has to be in a speed. You cannot read slowly and understand the passage. It is very much important to improve your speed. You can improve your speed by reading various varieties of things like academic content, newspaper, magazines, and many other things. Time yourself while you read. Second one, pay close attention to the keywords. Keywords can directly lead you to the correct answers in the paragraph. Third one, skimming and scanner. Be an expert with skimming and scanning. Practice this technique every day in the mock test. As well as you can also practice the technique of annotation all the time. Annotation is when you mark certain words, mark certain keywords with certain characters like square brackets, circle, and underlining. That is highlighting. Fourth one, read the instructions carefully. In reading passages, there are different type of questions like true, false, not given, completion type question, matching type question. True, false, not given has a different strategy to solve that type of question. Completion type question has a different strategy altogether. When you read the instruction carefully, you get to know how many words are you supposed to answer the questions in. Many students end up answering the question in 2 words, wherein the answer is supposed to be only in 1 word. It clearly mentions that you have to answer the question only in 1 word. So you have to be very careful when you are reading the instruction. The last one, which is the most important one, that is revise and analyze your mistakes. Analyze your mistakes means what? When you're planning to solve a mock test, solve the mock test. You have made a mistake in true, false, not given. So please go through the paragraph, read the paragraphs carefully, read the lines of the answers carefully as to what is it that you missed, because of which your answer changed into an incorrect answer. Thank you.